I learned Hebrew, and then I read a lot of books of Yiddish literature, and I loved it. And then I met André, and I thought I would give him lessons in Hebrew, and at the beginning. And then he told me, "Why don't you learn Yiddish?" And I said, "Okay, I'll try." But I didn't know it was so difficult. If I have problems, I can ask him, "How do you say that?" And "How would you say this?" And so it helps.
Yeah. For me also it's stimulating because then I can check and measure my knowledge, which I've learned all the past years, with the progression of Marie-Claire's learning and evolution.
Although it was 6 weeks, it seems to me not so much. We are connected with all the students. There is, like in a family, it's just very pleasant.
Heimisch, on dit.
Yeah, Hamish.
Oblate.
Voilà.
Yeah, I
Toi?
have about the same experience than Marie-Claire. I have been very, very impressed by the quality of the teaching here. I have learned a lot Yiddish.
When you are in this course, it seems that we bathe in the language. And I like it. And it gives enthusiasm.
And I believe I will never stop with learning Yiddish because there is no end to it.